Have you ever seen a peacock dance in the wild? Not in a zoo, not in a park, but here, in a quiet forest clearing. This moment is rare and beautiful. It's late evening near a small stream. A soft mist covers the ground. The forest is calm. Several Indian peafowls are walking slowly across the open area. They are feeding, searching the ground for insects and seeds. Some birds chase each other for a moment, others simply walk and graze peacefully. For now, it looks like an ordinary evening in the forest. Peafowls, they often gather in a small group like this. The females are called peahens, who usually focuses on feeding, while the males are always watching and waiting, because when the breeding season arrives, everything changes. And suddenly, one male makes his move. He stops walking, slowly raises his colorful train. Hundreds of shining feathers open like a giant fan. The bird has now become a nature's best performer. From a distance, the feathers look like a wall of moving colors. Blue, green, gold, all shining in the evening light. Such a scene. The dance only has one purpose, to impress the females. They observe the male carefully. They watch his feathers. They watch his movements. Because, in nature, female is the one who chooses the best dancer. The long feathers, the bright eye spots, and the vibration, all showing the one thing: strength. A healthy male can hold his feathers high and keep dancing for a long time, and this is exactly what the females are watching for. He shakes his feather rapidly. The feathers vibrate and create a soft, rattling sound. Nearby, 3 peahens continue feeding. At first, they do not seem interested by the male, but slowly they begin to look. The male turns in circles. He always tries to face the female. Every moment is part of the display. Every shake of the feathers is a signal, but impressing a peahen is never easy. Sometimes, the female simply walks away. After all the effort, after all the dancing, the decision still belongs to them. Nature can be very demanding. The peacock slowly lowers his feathers. The grand stage now disappears. The forest becomes quiet again. But tomorrow he may dance again. Because in the wild, every other day is another chance to impress.